This is why you need to visit the Seven Sisters Waterfall. Imagine stepping into a world where cascades create symphonies, and each drop of water tells a story of untouched nature. Nestled in the heart of lush forests, the Seven Sisters Waterfall isn't just a sight to behold, it's an experience that calms the soul and invigorates the spirit. As the water dances down the cliff in a harmonious flow, each of the 7 distinct cascades offers a unique glimpse into the raw beauty of nature. Whether you're a photographer, a nature enthusiast, or simply a seeker of peace, this place promises moments of pure bliss. So why wait? Dive into the serene whispers of nature and let your heart sink with the rhythmic flow of the waterfalls. And remember, if you enjoyed this sneak peek into paradise, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning escapes.